my channel. I am super excited to share with you how to do your very own lash extensions for like a third of the cost. As you know, I've tried many lash systems that were amazing and you know, paid up to $25 for a pair of lashes. I've also spent a lot of money at the salon doing the individual lashes, and it's all very expensive. And so I've devised a system, works for me, and I really think it's going to work for you, to get the lashes. These lashes I have on right now are Kiss, all mine, and they're my lash but better. And I'm so excited to show you how I come up with this whole system. And these lashes will last me, I would say 5 to 7 days, no problem. And so inexpensive. And I promise you, a little bit of practice, you will have this down pat and enjoy beautiful long lashes without having to worry about mascara. So I'm going to take you through how I do my lashes. And the one thing I do want to mention to you before I jump into that, when you have lash extensions, your worst friend is water and oil. So you want to make sure you use a micellar makeup wipe when you're taking like maybe your eyeshadow and things like that off. And also when you're in the shower, this is key. Definitely need these, okay? I got these from Amazon. I'll put a link below. But these are face line films. And basically, when you're ready to get in the shower, pull one out. It has a little adhesive. Take the adhesive off, put it on, boom, get in the shower. It stays put the entire time. Wash your hair, do what you need to do, and your lashes won't be disturbed, and they will last you a whole lot longer. So these face shields are key. A lot of you ladies that have microblading, have had with the eyebrows, microblading eyebrows, know. Also sometimes with permanent makeup, they make you, they ask you to wear them until the healing process finishes. But I use these for my lash extensions, and this really is key. They will make your lashes last a whole lot longer. So let's get started and jump right into it, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so what we're going to need are the eyelashes, the Kiss, My Lash But Better. The style is all mine, and the number is 82742. You're going to definitely need a good pair of the trimmers and your hair bonding glue. What I use is called Salon Pro. I'll put a link in the description below. And then your applicator for the eyelashes. I actually had used the Lashify system, and I really like their eyelash applicators, so I use that when I do my own lashes. So we're going to take these out of the box. If you can't find these lashes at your store, I'll leave a link below for the Kiss website. These are truly perfect for everyday use. They're not too much, but they're definitely a beautiful addition to your own natural lashes, and no mascara necessary. So what we're going to do is we're going to take them off of the tray, and we're going to cut them into 4 segments. So we're going to just, again, gingerly take them off of the tray. Of course, make sure your hands are clean and all of your equipment is clean. Just be very careful, because they can easily tear. They're very delicate. So I'm going to take them off of the tray, and then we're going to take our cute little shears, and we're going to cut them into 4 segments. Now, when you cut the eyelashes, you might lose a hair or two. Not to worry, they're not going to fall apart. It's just the nature of the way they're made. So just cut them into 4, and try to get them as equal as you can in the segments. If you're a little bit off, that's okay too. Not a big deal, because once they're applied to your eyes, you're not going to be able to really tell, oh, that one's longer, that one's shorter, whatever. I think I just lost an eyelash there. That was okay. And there you go. We have them cut into 4 segments. Now we're all set to go. Okay, so I like to start with a nice clean eyelid, so or a nice clean eye. So take some micellar makeup wipe and wipe off the eye makeup, previous lashes, any glue that was on there. I do like to put a little bit of eyeshadow before I put the lashes on. It's just a little bit easier because you have nice clean canvas and nothing major, no contouring, nothing fancy. I like the Ulta True Green. It's a pretty color for hazel or brown eyes, and of course for green eyes. So I just put a little bit of eyeshadow just again to give the eyelids a little bit of color. And then I'll do the same thing on the other eye. And then I'll be all set and ready to go with the placement of the eyelashes. So there we go with that. And then we're going to take our hair bonding glue and we're going to take a Q-tip, and that's the way I like to do it. But before that, I do like to curl my lashes. Be very careful, don't tug on your lashes, but by curling your lashes, there's just no, you don't want any stray natural lashes peeking through or popping through your false lashes. So, okay, so I have the hair bonding glue, and I'm going to place it on the outside corner, underneath, not on the waterline, but on the actual lashes. And I like to go back and forth. In other words, one side and then the other side. And then that's an easier way for me to get them on nice and equal and balanced from side to side. And I just keep going back and forth, one side to the other, putting the hair bonding glue on with a little Q-tip across the base, and then taking my Lashify applicator and then placing those lashes on the underside of the eyelash. Again, not on the waterline, on the actual eyelash. This may take a little bit of practice, but I promise it's worth it. Okay, so I just went back and forth with each segment of eyelash. I will caution you, be careful when you look down because the glue can get caught. So there you go, got a little bit caught right there, but see how easy it was to just get it right back to where I had it before. And then we're going to take the next cluster and we're going to place it underneath, right by the eyelash. Again, very, just keep it there for a second or two. And then I take the back part of the eyelash applicator and just make sure that I get it precisely where I want it to sit. And then I'm going to take the next segment, put that on the inner corner. The inner corner is probably the most difficult, or the one that you want to, really practice with, because that can be a little hard to do. And then we're going to do the last and final segment, which will go on the last on the other eye. And there you have it. All the segments are on. They're all placed on the underside of the eyelash. And these lashes, again, will last me several days, 4 to 7 days. Okay, so then you want to fuse them together when you're all done. I like to wait until they're a little bit more tacky before I do that. But you want to take your eyelash applicator and you want to press down and fuse the natural lash with the lash extension. Okay, if you like, you can also use your fingers. I use my fingers sometimes. And just, press them together. You want to make sure they're fused together. And I do this sometimes after I get out of the shower in the morning. I'll go ahead and fuse them again. But there you have it. There's my lashes. And we are all done. Okay, so that's it. You know what you need. You know how to apply them. Have some fun. Take some time. Practice makes perfect. You will be so happy with your lashes. And your pocketbook is going to be a whole lot happier because you won't be spending oodles of money to get this beautiful lash extension look. And so leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. I answer all of my comments. And I will see you next week in the next go around. In the meantime, stay blessed, stay healthy, and I'll see you then. Bye. Mwah.